happy to do this unboxing because it's one of my favorite companies. This is a Pharaoh's Kiss. And this is her card. And let's get to it. Thank you for the candy. Put it over here where I have the rest of my peppermint sticks. Alright, so here's the invoice. It has all my info, so I'm going to hide it from you because you don't need to see. And I'm going to come back with all of this stuff unwrapped. Alright, we are back, and look at all the pretty goodies I got. First of all, we have this shimmery Christmas tree. And it's called Wonderland, and Balsam and Bayberry. Smells good. This one here, I was actually afraid to buy. I had been looking at it. You know, it's Pennywise. Doesn't have a label on it, but we know it's Pennywise. I had been looking at it, but I'm afraid of black bath bombs. And so I had just not purchased it, even though I knew I wanted it. But recently, first of all, it looks gray now. It doesn't look as black as it did on the site. But recently I used a very black, deep colored black bath bomb from hers, and it did not stain my tub. So I'm glad I got this anyway, even though I was afraid of it for the longest. First of all, like I said, it's not black. It's more like a silver gray. The next one is Krampus, and scented in gingerbread. Scary looking, but he's shimmery. Look at that. And then I got Killjoy, the Christmas Clown, scented in hot cocoa. I knew that I don't like hot cocoa scent, but come on. Who can't have this? Like, everyone should have one of these. And then she sent a sample of gingerbread. It's a very massive sample, actually. She sent me a snickerdoodle wax melt. And then lastly, I purchased this 'Tis the Season wax melt because look at it, guys, look at it. It's so cute. Yeah, I love this thing. I have not tried her wax melts, so this is a good time to try. Christmas, I love all Christmas scents. So yeah, so there it is. We have, I would give you the pricing, but I think it was all on sale, and so the pricing may not be the same by the time you get to the site. Again, we had Killjoy, the Christmas Clown. We have this very shimmery, not that anything of hers is not shimmery, they're all super shimmery. Wonderland. We have Pennywise. Look at that shimmer. We have Krampus, the Horned Demon. We have a gingerbread sample. We have a snickerdoodle sample. And lastly, this beautiful Christmas tree. I've not seen any melts shaped exactly like this, so I had to have it. 'Tis the Season. All right, guys, that's all that I got from A Pharaoh's Kiss, and I will talk to you guys on the next one.